Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update for Bitcoin, we are trading at $23,237. 24-hour volume, we are down 6.58%, and market cap, we are up 0.42%. I'm going to go through some different types of time frames, but of course, starting off with our weekly time frame, what we can see is the candlestick formation so far has drastically changed. If you notice, yesterday we had a bigger body, but now what we're taking a look at is a possible doji candle itself that's formulating right here. So as the price is going to retrace, we can see, again, we are considered to be overbought. And as price is going to retrace down, we're going to be taking a look at different time frames to see where the price may retrace to. Okay, so going into immediate short term for 1 day here, we can see again the Bollinger Bands are reacting, closing in very, very narrow. We can see that the histograms of our MACD is indicating possible signs of a reversal. Take a look at this, you guys, how small the actual bars are. And when we really fine tune in a lower time frame, we can be able to get the facts of where the price may actually want to go. Another alert here we can see is we're close to the 20 moving average, but what's been working in our favor from this candlestick on July 26th was actually a really good bounce, is treating this as support. And if we look at our RSI at the top here, we found that we got an immediate oversold alert here with our crossing of our K and our D lines, signifying a good strength of a buying opportunity. Right here as well, we got the same scenario near the 20 MA, and then again considered to be oversold and an opportunity to buy in the candlesticks following. Now, the candlesticks on the daily form, what we can see is that the bodies are being fulfilled and there's no little to wick at the top or the bottom itself. As we go into more of a lower time frame, we can see that we are considered to be overbought, but at the same time, take a look at the MACD here. It's changed from a day to 4 hours, signifying more of a strength of the bullish foundation here. And if we are able to get more of a stronger momentum, we are initially going to come back closer to this fib chart here. So I'm going to cinch out roughly around the 23%, which is again a golden number for our fib, which is $23,748, depending on how strong this momentum is. As we retrace to our RSI, it looks like the RSI numbers are coming into more of a foundation of being considering overbought. So before we retrace closer to 23%, depending again, the momentum of our MACD, we can see that this is a sign or an area where there was a lot of activity done on our volume indicator. So right here at 23,874 is a known resistance line where a lot of trades happened, especially from this peak here at the end of July. So what may happen in the next couple of hours, you guys, is that price is going to come back up here, but we're not going to come into the 23% here of our fib. We may actually be capped off from this resistance line here, which is roughly around 23,525. Depending on the momentum we're getting, if it's stronger, take a look at these bars, you guys, right over here. If it's stronger in momentum and the current of the trend is getting strong, we are most likely going to break through this resistance line. But when we take a look quickly here, the spaces in between these lines don't look as strong. Into immediate short term of 3 hours, we can see the same thing occurring, is this grams or these bars are getting stronger. So it gives us a little bit of a hint that we are getting stronger in the overall momentum of a bullish end. Now here as well, getting stronger in the histograms, stronger as well. We can see that we're bouncing right at the 23% of our, sorry, not the 23%, 38% of our fib. We're finding really nice support in the last couple of hours on a 2-hour time frame. We can see that the Bollinger Bands are reacting a little bit, opening up. We can see that. So higher volatility is in the playing field here. And 1-hour time frame as well, we can see this little pinch here, and we actually broke through the barrier of the 20 MA, going into more of a bigger current and actually coming down to being considered to be oversold. But what's really nice to see is a bounce from the bottom of the Bollinger Band. And take a look at this reaction right here as well for the top of the Bollinger Band. Notice that the bands itself are closing in, signifying a possible, again, lower volatility. Price is going to move sideways. Price is consolidating. So if price is going to come back up, touch the top of the Bollinger Band, we're going to come back down and retrace back down. So overall, what I'm seeing on all different time frames is that we are most likely, again, depending on this histogram here, and it changes over time. It just changed to a bigger bar. We are most likely going to come back up, either break through it, depending if these grams for the bullish side is going to get bigger as the price is coming up to break through this, and then seeing a reduction down from the 23. If we see lighter colors in our histogram on all of the time frames that I showed you closer to the resistance line, we're going to come back down from the resistance and we're not going to break it through. So that is kind of my outlook for Bitcoin, you guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.